Welcome back, design students. So let's continue working on our spaceships. There's lots of things you can continue to do here. Grab half of it. Just got to make sure you use symmetry when it's appropriate. I could pull that out and make it a little rounder. I think that looks a lot better like that. I could grab these and pull them up a little bit. And I could take this and I could use this inset tool that we've been talking about. And remember, you gotta do it separately each time if you want to actually extrude it. And I'm holding down Shift and right clicking each time I'm using extrude. Notice I didn't use extrude that time. I didn't do a separate extrusion that time. I just pulled out the extrusion I had already made. And you can also extrude and then scale in. Make engines here by insetting, and then I can just hold down Shift and extrude that in. Can move that in a little bit more. I'm just going to hold down Shift and then Shift again. Scale that out. Then I can take this whole thing. This looks pretty interesting. I think I might make a couple of weapons here. That turned out really nice. See, I had no idea that was going to happen when I started extruding it. Can make some thrusters back here. And I can continue to reshape this. Like I can switch to vertex mode here, and I can grab these vertices carefully here. Actually, I just wanted that one. I'm going to pull that back like that. I'm going to turn off keep faces together here, and then scale these in like that. Pull them out a little bit. And I'm holding down Shift. No, I don't like that. See, sometimes the extrude feature just works a lot better. And as I said, sometimes you have to turn off symmetry to get it to scale and do what you want properly. Now to do some other interesting things here, you could put some panels, say for instance on the side here, by grabbing these. I'm going to turn symmetry back on. And I could use the extrude scale tool here and inset these, and then I can just simply do it again and push them in. Now I have some sort of panels there on the side. And I could do the same inset here on the nose, but not extrude it. So that I can maybe color it differently. And as I said, this process is just entirely up to you. How it looks, how it ends up being, is all your imagination. Now, one final thing I want to show you is that if you wanted to have your wings bend down some, I wanted to try this before I did that. Like you can just keep going on with this forever. But at some point you have to say, you know what? I think I've done enough. Now, if you wanted to have your wings sweep down totally, you could switch to vertex mode and grab all of them. Switch to your rotate tool and then make sure you have snapping turned off. Oop. And then you can rotate them down a little bit and then move them or leave them like that if you want. You can rotate them back like that or forward like that and then down. I mean, you know, again, the whole thing is entirely up to you and your imagination. But when we come back in the next video, I'm going to show you how to put the materials on this. And I hope you're having fun with your spaceship. And I'll see you then.